Our degree prepares students to go out into a field that's very multifaceted. It's so much more than just I'm watching someone else's child for 8 hours while they're at work. Our degree prepares students to be directors in childcare facilities. It prepares them to be lead teachers in First Step K-4 programs. It also allows them to be assistant teachers and teachers' aides in special education classrooms in public schools, in K-4 and kindergarten classrooms in public schools. But we also have agreements now where students can take our degree. We have multiple transfer partners, and it sets them up for another 2-year journey to receive certification if they're interested in teaching elementary school. With the associate's degree that you got from us, you could start working in the child care field already to support yourself as you are working for that bachelor's degree that's leading towards certification. So anyone that's really interested in those being their end goals, this is a great place to start.
What I loved so much about the early childhood program was just the community we had in the classroom. It was a big deal to have group discussion and collaborate with each other.
TCTC kind of strengthened my aspect on teamwork by 1,000,001 because there was nothing that we did that didn't require teamwork. So everything that we did required us to be able to count on somebody or be able to review things with a person or study with somebody or meet with people, and just the community.
So I think more than anything, what we do so successfully here is that we very much instill in our students a family atmosphere. You are going to know not only who your support is from faculty, but you're also going to know who your support is from your classmates too. Our students bond really quickly because, they're in every class together.
One of the aspects of the early care and education program that helped me the most was the hands-on learning. I really enjoyed my student teaching opportunities, as well as activities we did in the classroom that would be identical to something we'd get to do out in our own classrooms one day.
We're just given so many opportunities that you don't get when you're going into a 4-year school as a freshman or even a sophomore, because we go into field experience. You can even go in the field experience your first semester at Tri-County. I did. I went to a Head Start, and I wouldn't have got that if I went to a 4-year school.
One of our pride points in the ECE program is that our graduates have nearly a 100% placement rate after graduation, and that means they're getting jobs that they love and that they're excited about.
When I see that a Tri-County student has applied for a job, they're usually one of the first ones that I interview because they do come in with the knowledge and the experience that a lot of the other students within their 2-year associate degrees that they don't have. I can just tell there's a difference. There's a difference in our students that come from Tri-County than any of our other schools in the Upstate.
Our students know that not only do we believe in them, but we're going to push them because we want them to be successful, but we believe that they're already successful just by being here. We give them the tools and the knowledge to go out and make positive impact in their community.
Seeing them get it, it's like, oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing good at this. Like, I can do this, and I can do this for so many other kids to come. And I know this is what I'm meant to do.
Just give it a try, because once you're in here, it's a lifetime of connections and greatness, because there's really nothing you can not accomplish once you become a part of the team.